another great day again, hey?
Yeah, yeah.
Here we go, Charlie. You like liver? I'm guessing you do.
Oh yeah, he has liver treats all the time.
There we go. Look at that, eh? There's one. You drop one. You drop one. There you go.
There you go. That's
All right, buddy. There we go. Yeah. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. All right. We'll see you later, Charlie. Maybe on the home stretch. Okay. All right, bud. Have a great day.
yeah.
See you later. Take care.